My name is Mark Sullivan. I've been part of Milne Library and SUNY Geneseo for over 25 years. It is my distinct pleasure to welcome you to Milne Library. There are two entrances for Milne Library. Our primary entrance leads into the main floor and our cafe, Books and Bites, while the other entrance on the lower floor is closest to our multi-purpose room, which is a great new event space on campus. Following the $40 million renovation of Milne, the majority of the western side of the building was converted to glass, which improves our view of the Geneseo Valley, especially during sunsets. Milne Library is the first building on campus to eliminate the use of fossil fuels, reducing the campus's carbon footprint. It utilizes full electrification for all building systems. Here we have our CIT help desk and library service desk on the main floor. These two areas are the public-facing aspects of Milne Library and provide our patrons with support for their computers, interlibrary loan, circulation, and other services. We have over 200 seats available in a variety of table and booth configurations in 3 dedicated areas of the library. We have individual booth lighting and privacy dividers, sound muffling, and lots of power and charging ports. There are 15 group study rooms that you can reserve online or in person using a QR code. We also have our general collection, special collections, Writing Learning Center, Teacher Education Resource Center, instructional classrooms, computer lab, and more. Our reference and instruction librarians are available to help you with all your research needs. The development and construction of New Milne Library has taken nearly 5 years, and we have a lot of amazing services that we just don't have time to show you in a short tour. If you would like to see all that we have to offer, you're going to have to come check us out in person. Thank you for joining us in Milne Library.